Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Restarting real schools and offices are great indicators of things returning towards normalization. Mornings are now packed with getting kids ready for schools and adults leaving for offices. And after reaching back home in the evening, a lot of us look forward to some snacks. My son is fond of evening snack, and in fact me and my husband also look forward to having some tasty snack with our evening tea. In today's video, I will share my meal prepping for evening snacks, with which I quickly make some yummy snacks in just 10 to 15 minutes. This video is made in collaboration with Gritzo SuperMilk Genius. Let's get started. Based on what we like to eat as a family, I prepare the list of snacks. And according to the list, I do the meal prepping for helping ingredients. Most of the meal prepping is combined with the major meals. Please check out my meal prep playlist. Link is given in the description box. Few things which are mostly available in my fridge and pantry are homemade idli dosa batter, boiled potatoes, paneer cubes or grated paneer, peeled garlic, and not all but some cut veggies. This way it is easy and quick for me to prepare meals. Green chutney is one condiment which goes well with almost all the meals, so I keep a good stock of it. Roasted peanuts are always ready in my pantry, which can be eaten as a snack and can be added to various dishes. Me and my family enjoy bread, and for the past 6 months we have been making bread at home. Breads are versatile and can be used in preparing a lot of snack items. For evening snacks, one item which I really enjoy these days is homemade fruit and nut cake and banana walnut cake. I prepare one loaf once a week or 15 days and refrigerate it. Chutney powder or Podi is a famous food accompaniment in South India which goes well with dal rice and idli dosa. Earlier I used to buy it from the market, but since the past 1 year I have been making this also at home. It really helps enhance the taste of your meal. Check out the description box for the recipe. I was never a fan of fruit jam, but since I started making jams at home, I really started enjoying its taste. It is very easy to make. Take a pan and put 1 cup chopped strawberries and cook. Once they get soft, add half cup sugar and cook well till it becomes sticky like this. Keep stirring to avoid it sticking at the bottom. Let it cool and then store it in the jar. You can refrigerate it for 7 to 10 days. You can make the jam in a bread maker also if you have one without any supervision. Good part is that other than sugar, it has no other preservatives or chemicals, but yes, this means limited shelf life, which I am okay with. Some of the items to prepare quick snacks are puffed rice, makhanas, and popcorn seeds. These are mostly available in my pantry. Now that life is coming back to normal, children have started going to the school, including mine. My son comes back at around 3:45 in the afternoon, and this is the time when he is super hungry. Summers are here and it has started getting hot. Gritzo SuperMilk with cold milk and some homemade snacks is something which my child enjoys. At this age, all the children need extra nutrition for better immunity and growth. Every child is unique and so are their nutritional needs. I recently came across Gritzo SuperMilk Genius. I visited the Gritzo website and added my child's details in their Personalize engine. Within minutes, it suggested Gritzo SuperMilk Genius boys 8 to 12 years for a third. Personalized nutrition blend of essential protein, vitamins, minerals and electrolytes for my child to enhance his optimal growth, development and immunity as they go back to school. It is personalized for 8 to 12 years old boys with super ingredients like DHA and vitamin B12 to help improve brain function and prevent burnout. It is filled with the goodness of Brahmi, which helps in focusing, and Pushpi, which helps maintain mental performance and keep the child stress-free. Moms, do check out Gritzo website to get a personalized nutrition drink as per your child's need. The link is given in the description box. Now coming back to the snacks. With these items and meal prepping, let's see how I prepare quick snacks. If the dosa batter and cut veggies are available, I prepare quick mini uttapams for my son. Podi or chutney powder goes well with this snack. If idlis are made for breakfast, we usually have 3-4 leftovers with which I make podi idli in the evening for snack. Just add ghee in a pan and toss the idlis. Now add chutney powder and mix well. Quick 2-minute snack is ready and believe me, it tastes so yum. You can saute leftover idlis with some onion and capsicum and add tomato ketchup and chili sauce and can make quick Chinese style chili idlis, which is so delicious. With the afternoon's leftover roti, I prepare a nice roll by just warming up the roti with ghee on tawa. I make it a little crispy. Same time on the other burner, I just toss some cut veggies and paneer, add some paneer makhani masala and salt. Now I spread some green chutney on the roti, which is always available in the fridge, add the paneer mix and roll it up. Nice tasty paneer roll is ready, which my son really enjoys. If paneer and curd are available, we can quickly make paneer tikka also. Just take some curd, add salt, chili powder, dhania powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste and a few drops of mustard oil and mix well. Add paneer cubes and some cut veggies and mix well. Now you can either air fry them or pan fry on the gas. In a recent video, I have shown some more dishes using air fryer. The link is mentioned in the description box. If you have garlic, butter and bread at home, then you can make super tasty garlic bread in just a few minutes. Chop a few cloves of garlic, add chopped garlic in a melted butter, sprinkle some pizza seasoning and stir it well. Now spread the mix on the bread and either toast it on the gas or in the air fryer. Crispy and yummy garlic bread is ready to be served. With bread and boiled potatoes, you can make a tasty open toasted sandwich. Mash the potatoes and add salt and some seasoning as per your choice. Just take the slice, add some green chutney and spread mashed potatoes. Now toast the bread using a tawa or air fryer. It will become crispy like this. Optionally, add some tamarind chutney on the top and save. Delicious quick sandwich is ready. My son loves makhanas and it is very easy to make. Just add some ghee in the pan and add makhanas in it. Keep stirring and fry them till they get a little brown. Now switch off the gas and add salt to taste and some chaat masala. Once cooled down, store it in the airtight container. It is a very quick and yummy snack which kids really enjoy. Popcorn is usually enjoyed by all age groups. I use fresh popcorn seeds to make popcorn using this compact machine. Kids really enjoy the process. It is a good healthy snack. If puffed rice is available, you can quickly make bhel puri or jhalmuri with this. Just take some puffed rice, add chopped onions, chilies and tomatoes. Sprinkle some salt and chaat masala. Add roasted peanuts, a little bit of mustard oil and lemon juice. Mix well and your super tasty and very quick snack is ready. Just add little save on the top before serving. For kids, you can also make ghee shakkar murmure. Just take some puffed rice in a bowl, add some melted ghee and sugar and mix well. The snack is ready in just 2 minutes, which is enjoyed by all of us. I personally love homemade jams and it's my favorite these days. I just spread the homemade strawberry jam on my homemade fruit cake or toast and my quick tea time snack is ready. Kids also enjoy this snack. And that's all about it. I think the most important point that differentiates meals and snacks is taste. Lot of us will accept a healthy meal even if it is not so tasty, but a snack has to be yum. Little thoughts to make it healthier with the mix of traditional and modern recipes bring smile to everyone's face. Well, I'm not a food expert, but yes, these were some quick snacks that I've experimented with in the last few years. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.